Zebra.
Yes.
Yo. Hat.
Yes.
Mommy.
Hello everyone, this is Sally and I am with my two nephews here.
Hello, I'm Christian. Hello, I'm RJ.
And I'd like to welcome you to my channel.
No, my channel. No, my channel.
What?
Our channel is just a prank.
Yes, welcome you to our channel. Alright, so today I would like to, this is Sally and I am an ESL teacher. I used to teach foreign students, especially in China. Alright, so without so much ado, I have prepared here some activities that they can do. So teaching the consonants actually is a little bit complex, yeah, especially to the kids. But using different kind of activities can actually help them to master the sounds of the consonants. Are you guys ready?
Ready?
So if you notice here, I always prepare activities whether they are Filipino students or foreign students. Why? Because it will help them retain their, their interest in learning. So each of them has got a pig. What's the color of your pig?
Orange.
And the color of your pig is?
Mine yellow.
Yes,
her
alright.
Her name is Mickey Rocky.
Okay. So,
His name is Jake.
alright. Okay.
Mine is Marshall.
Whenever they do a great job, we are going to give them a coin. So they're going to drop a coin inside their pig. So you notice, you know what? We have to keep feeding our pigs because when they get bigger and fatter and heavier, what do we do with them? We sell them. Yeah, without so much ado, let's do this. So the first thing I like to show you guys, the first activity is for non-native speakers. You gotta show the letter as you teach the sound and then help them with some pictures to, remember the sound better. All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this one. Okay. Ju.
Jellyfish.
Ju.
Jellyfish.
All right, ju jellyfish. Next.
Candle.
Cook a candle. I like that.
The dog.
Yes. Boo.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
King.
Yes.
Quail.
Quail. That's quail. Quail. Yes.
Grapes.
Grapes. Just like my grapes over there. Next.
Zebra.
Or zipper. Next.
Hamburger.
Awesome.
Net. X-ray.
X-ray. Great job.
Turtle.
Turtle. Next.
Yak. Fish. Violin.
Yes.
Snake. Leaf.
Yes.
Pizza. Watermelon.
Watermelon. Next.
Rainbow.
Awesome.
Jellyfish.
All right, so we're done with that. So after introducing the letters, sounds with pictures, I like you to, just show them the letters this time and try to see if they can remember anything that would start with the sound of this letter. So I'd like you guys to take a look here, and here's for more mastery. You could do this and then try to see if the kids can actually say the sounds, or and even a letter or a thing that has the sound of that letter. All right.
B and RJ.
So let's do this one. We have RJ, Christian, RJ, Christian, RJ, Christian. All right. Here we go. Book.
Ball.
Say it, please. Please read.
Ball.
Awesome.
Cat.
Yeah.
Duck.
Good.
Fish.
Woo.
Go.
Yes.
Hat. Jet.
Good.
Kite.
Great.
Lips.
Awesome.
Mommy. Nest.
Okay. Christian.
Pig.
Next.
Quilt.
Next. Christian.
Rainbow.
Yes.
So snake.
Great.
Tiger.
Yes. Your turn.
Yellow.
And the last letter?
You.
The last letter?
Zebra.
Very good. Zebra. Now, wow, they can probably because it starts from here, from B to Z. What about if we reshuffle the letters? So if you take a look here, look at this. All of these are letters, all right? But now I gave them some kind of letters. All of these are actually consonants, and I would love them to read. You see that? So just to make sure that they didn't just memorize the sound of the letters, but they can actually say it after, even if if they just see the letter or something. So are you ready?
Yes. Ready.
Let's do this. Okay, before you do that, I'd like you to feed your pigs again, please.
Thank you.
Oh, boink, boink. This is really getting bigger and fatter. And heavier too.
Oh, that is yummy.
Oh
That's yummy.
my
Oh,
gosh.
that's yummy.
If he wants to eat it, don't eat it. Okay. All right, so I think these boys are ready. And I think I need to change how to take the video so you can see them closely if they can really read the letters. Okay, here we go. All right, Christian, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Cat. Leaf. Jojo. Jet. Violin. Queen.
I'm sorry, but the juju is supposed to be like that. Okay, go.
Fish. Yo. Hat.
Yes.
Mommy. Wax. Ball.
That's it?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Clap your hands for Christian. Woo! Goody goody. RJ, ready?
Ready.
Let's do this. Go.
Ball. Mommy. Quilt. Lamb. And yak. Kite.
Yes.
Jet.
Yes.
Zebra.
Uh-huh.
And hen.
Wow! Great job! Clap your hands for the two boys, please! Yoo-hoo! Great job! So wow, they did a great job! They can do that! You can do that? So I'm going to give 2 coins for you and 2 coins for you. Please feed your own pig.
Oh, that's yummy.
Come on. Alright. Now you can hold your own pig. Try to see if it's getting heavier.
Getting
Is it
bigger.
heavier?
I'm super strong now.
And heavier?
No.
Fatter?
Yes.
Alright, that's awesome. I like it. Alright, so that's what we do with our piggy banks. So, those are just few of the many examples of activities that we can give to our kids or to our students. Like, these activities really help them to remember the sounds of each letter. So the first thing we need to do, last time I taught them the vowels and they kind of master them. This time the consonants, and then I can't wait to teach them really the 2-letter word and the 3-letter words so that they can move forward, and it's going to be so easy for them to cope up with whatever lessons they're going to have in school. Because I myself, I can't wait to see my nephews be able to read words, all right, be able to read books. Yeah, thank you so much for watching our videos, and hope that you're going to like our videos, comment, and share them to our friends out there. And what else should they do, boys?
Share, comments, and subscribe.
Yes,
And
please.
channel.
Yes, subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to watch our video. Just like and subscribe.
Yes, please. Don't forget, right?
Don't forget it.
Don't forget. Yes. Okay, thank you so much. And we hope to see you again next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Till next time.
I'll see you next